Caramel versus caramel. Caramel, the word without the extra a, is a noun. It is used to name a person as well as a place. It does not carry a special meaning other than to be the proper name for someone or some place. So, Carmel is the name of a famous Californian beach town. It is also the name of a mountain in Israel. You cannot use the word Carmel as a verb. It also cannot be used as an adjective. Caramel, the word caramel, the one with the extra a, is also a noun. It can also be used as an adjective to describe something. Caramel means a sweet, chewy candy that is made from sugar, butter, cream or milk. It is light brown in color and is like toffee. Caramel also means a food coloring or flavoring that is made by heating syrup or sugar. Another meaning for the word caramel has to do with its color. Caramel means light brown. So, as you can see already, caramel and caramel are two different words with different meanings. It is not a misspelling of the same word. Are you still unsure about how to use both words without looking like a moron? Let's examine the differences closer and choose a food Tupperware today. What makes each word different? As noted earlier, the extra letter, a, is what makes both words different. Besides, you will quickly notice that one word has 2 syllables while the other has 3 syllables. Syllables help you to pronounce words easier. So, caramel is the shorter word with 2 syllables. That is, Carmel. The second word, caramel, the one with the extra a, has 3 syllables. That is, caramel. Are you seeing the difference now? You should. Now you might be thinking, okay, I got it. Caramel and caramel are different words, but how can I use them in sentences? Remember that caramel is the name of a place or person, while caramel is the sweet light brown candy. Using caramel. That said, here is a sentence in which you can use the word caramel. When do you plan on visiting Carmel this year? Jean asked her husband. You can see in that sentence that Carmel is the name of the place Jean's husband may be planning to visit this year. As you can see, this word is also a proper noun that refers to the name of a town. Let's take another example. Carmel Jones hates having to do her assignment again. In this example, Carmel is the name of the person who hates doing her assignment over again. Again, Carmel is the proper noun that names the person Carmel Jones. Using caramel. Okay, so let's look at how to use the word caramel in sentences. Here's an example. Little Susie enjoys chewing on the sweet caramel treat. See that the word caramel means the sweet treat that little Susie is chewing. Here is another example of how you can use the word caramel. Janet slipped on her caramel-colored coat and stepped outside. In that example, the word caramel is acting as an adjective to describe the color of Janet's coat. Remember that caramel is described as being light brown. So, the sentence could have said, Janet slipped on her light brown coat and stepped outside. So, you get the picture of how the words caramel and caramel are different and can be used in sentences. Once applied correctly, everyone will understand exactly what you mean. Let's see what this next sentence says about both words. Carmel Jones enjoys adding caramel flavoring to her food when cooking. Does that sentence make sense? No doubt, the reader will understand that Carmel is the person who enjoys using caramel flavorings. Another thing about the word caramel is that to become a verb, it must change to caramelize by adding the suffix "ize". So, here is the word caramel in its new form. The miso paste started to bubble and slightly caramelize as the fish cooked on the grill. Thanks for watching.